Hey guys, so today I'm going to make a short video about how to start this PowerSmart 212cc. This one is 24 inches. There are some that are also 26 inches. This is just the size of the of this area here. So but whether it's 24 inches or 26 inches, they should all operate the same way, especially with regards to starting. So today I'm gonna look into how to start this machine manually, that is. And so if you check the manual, you will see that there are some few things that we need to check here. So here you see that we have an area with off and on. So this guy here, in this way, it's in the off position. So we have to make sure that it is in the on position. This is a choke right here. You want to make sure that the choke is all the way to the right. When that is the case, you also want to make sure that you put it in the key. This is a key, you put it in. Sometimes it's better to just leave the key in. Don't take the key out because you might lose it. So make sure the key is in. If the key is not in, it's not going to start. Then you're going to prime the machine 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. Once you do that, then you're gonna come here to this area where we pull, and then hopefully it's gonna start. Let's go ahead and see what happens.